Flammable materials. The science and art of risk management in a fleeting moment. A small spark can escalate into a major crisis. Fires can quickly claim what we hold dear, but by understanding and preparing for these risks, many disasters can be prevented. Today, we'll dive into the chemistry and physics of flammable materials, exploring what makes them dangerous and how we can manage them safely. 1. What are flammable materials? Flammable materials are substances that can ignite and sustain combustion when combined with oxygen. These materials typically ignite at relatively low temperatures and release heat, light, and gases during combustion. Flammable materials exist in solid, liquid, and gaseous states. 1. Solid flammable materials. Examples include wood, paper, and coal. 1. These materials can combust slowly even without visible flames. 2. Liquid flammable materials. Substances like gasoline, alcohol, and paint have low flash points, making them highly flammable. 3. Gaseous flammable materials. Methane, propane, and hydrogen are gases that can rapidly combust when mixed with oxygen, often causing explosive fires. The hazards of flammable materials are often evaluated based on their ignition temperature, flash point, and explosive limits. For example, alcohol vaporizes and becomes highly flammable at temperatures as low as 12 degrees Celsius, 54 degrees Fahrenheit, while wood requires higher temperatures, around 300 degrees Celsius, 572 degrees Fahrenheit, to ignite. 2. Risk factors of flammable materials. Flammable materials become particularly dangerous when three key conditions align, known as the fire triangle. 1. Oxygen. A necessary element for the chemical reaction of combustion. 2. Heat source. Energy sufficient to ignite the material. 3. Fuel. The combustible substance itself. When these three factors combine, the likelihood of a fire increases significantly. For instance, a gas leak in a kitchen combined with an open flame can lead to a catastrophic fire. Additionally, some materials pose heightened risks due to their physical or chemical properties. 1. Volatile substances. These evaporate quickly, allowing them to mix with oxygen and create flammable vapors. 2. Static electricity. A small spark in an area with flammable gas can trigger a fire or explosion. 3. Major incidents involving flammable materials. History offers numerous examples of how mismanagement of flammable materials has led to devastating accidents. 1. 1984 Bhopal gas tragedy, India. A leak of methyl isocyanate, MIC, gas from a pesticide plant caused thousands of deaths. 2. 2013 Lac Megantic rail disaster, Canada. A train carrying flammable crude oil derailed, leading to massive explosions and fires. These incidents underscore the critical need for proper handling and management of flammable materials to prevent such tragedies. 4. Key strategies for managing flammable materials. Effective risk management involves both physical and behavioral measures. 1. Physical measures. Storage. Flammable materials should be stored in sealed containers away from heat sources. Ventilation. Proper ventilation systems are essential to prevent the buildup of flammable gases. Temperature control. Maintaining temperatures below the flash point of the materials can prevent ignition. 2. Behavioral measures. Regular inspections. Conduct routine checks of storage facilities and equipment to detect leaks. Training. Educate employees on safe handling practices and fire response protocols. Emergency preparedness. Install and maintain firefighting equipment such as extinguishers, firewalls, and sprinkler systems. 5. Modern technologies in flammable material management. Advancements in technology have enhanced the ability to manage flammable materials more effectively. 1. IoT sensors. These monitor temperature, pressure, and gas leaks in real time to prevent accidents. 2. AI analysis. Artificial intelligence identifies high-risk areas through data analysis, enabling proactive safety measures. 3. New materials. Development of non-flammable materials reduces the reliance on hazardous substances. 6. Individual and societal responsibilities. On a personal level, individuals can take steps to prevent fires in their homes. 1. Check gas valves and secure them when not in use. 2. Avoid overloading electrical devices to prevent overheating. 3. Learn how to use fire extinguishers effectively. On a societal level, strict regulations and enforcement ensure that industries and workplaces adhere to safety standards, reducing the likelihood of accidents involving flammable materials. Flammable materials are indispensable to modern life but can lead to catastrophic disasters if mishandled. By understanding their scientific principles and implementing robust safety measures, we can transform fire from a potential threat to a manageable risk. Small changes in our habits and consistent attention to safety can protect not only our lives but also our communities. Let us work together to build a safer future.